Guys, are you there in a mood of listening class today? Please check your audio and video settings, please. (615) Spring Boot scheduling. Oh, last class paint I have not uploaded. Today I will upload, don't worry. File save as. Yeah, what is today's date, guys? April 2nd. Yes, boss. Tell me, what is scheduling, boss? It's a process of executing given task or job, either for one time or in a loop, based on given period of time and point of time. What is difference between period of time and point of time, guys? Yeah, specifies the gap between two successive execution of the given task. Okay, point of time, executing the task at certain date or time, or date and time. Date or time, or date and time. Got it, guys? Come on. Fine. The task or job that is enabled with scheduling will be executed automatically without any human intervention. And the task or job executes for multiple times until underlying application or server is stopped. Super, guys. Examples of period of time: every month pay slip. Example for point of time: upload docs to certain website at specific night hour, right? Come on, guys. Come on, everyone. Be with me, my dear. Someone's webcam is on. I'll stop the video. Mr. Dasharath. Yeah, how to enable scheduling, guys? How to enable scheduling? We can enable scheduling by writing @scheduling on the top of the main class, and also by writing @scheduled annotation on the top of the business method of a service class. Okay, guys. Acha, it's gone wrong. 1 minute. Open the document. Sorry, it's May 2nd. It's my mistake. Yeah. So other day we have seen one small example, guys. So tell me. Example application, we have seen this, guys. Tell me. Fixed delay. Now listen. Fixed delay without initial time. So first time this task will execute along with the application startup. Shall I get into our workspace? Where is our workspace, guys? 2021-06. April notes is not uploaded. Today I upload every notes. Don't worry. Initial delay 1000, fixed delay 3000. Okay. Here no initial delay, directly 3000. Have a look on that. Along with the application startup, first time execution takes place. Yes. Launch. And I have opened the same document. I have opened the same document. I will, okay, 1 minute. Yeah, same document, which is a continuation of today's class, guys. Fine. Okay, got it, got it. So now I would like to show without fixed initial delay, how does it looks? Yeah, listen, guys. On the view of Ramjan, tomorrow no classes, guys. Our next class will be on Wednesday. After today's class, our next class will be on Wednesday, boss. Super. Okay. Now focus. Yeah. Let's come to our scheduling, guys. Close all editors. Close all editors. Yeah, guys, in the background, you may see some people moving here and there. Okay, don't confuse. Some work is going on. Some small maintenance work is going on in my flat. So don't be surprised. Super. Yeah, can I ask one question? Can we do scheduling using core Java setup? Can we do scheduling using core Java setup, guys? Yes. What are the classes we should use for that? Timer and timer task. What are the classes we should use for that, guys? Timer and timer task. These two are the classes we should use for it. Super, guys. Okay, now listen. Here is my task1.java. What happened to Eclipse, Babu? So many applications are there in running mode, Babu. Disk memory also coming. Close, close. Close is not there. New window. Then who is taking lot of memory? End task, end task, end task. Who is taking lot of memory? Am I audible, guys? Am I audible? Okay, good, good, good. Let's come back. Initial delay 1000 is there, na 10,000. Leave it. Yeah. Now let's see. Let's run the application. When you run the application, run as a Spring Boot application. Yeah. See, along with the application startup, first time execution is done. And then onwards, gap will be how much, guys? See, application started immediately, first time execution is done. Then onwards, anyhow, gap of 3 seconds are there. I think you noticed that. Come on. I think you noticed this. So, what is the point I should say, guys? Okay, what is the point I should say? Yeah, app start time, execution time is same. Application started here. Come on. 48/20/22. And remaining things you observe. Remaining things you observe, guys. Copy this, my dear. Say paste. Super. Okay, 46. Along with application startup, things are happened or not? Actually, task one also takes place along with application startup. Check it out. Along with application startup, task one also takes place, guys. Right, boss. Done. 46 seconds difference may be there. That's not an issue, guys. Okay, here you observe. Next, what is the next one, guys? If you want to, if you are interested to give fixed delay in the form of string value, you can give, guys. Fixed delay in the form of string value, you can give. Yeah, tell me here. At the rate schedule, fixed delay string 3000. Fixed delay string 3000. Super, guys. Right click, run on Spring Boot application. Yeah, now tell me, guys, things are coming in the form of string. I'm able to give the things in the form of string, guys. Okay. Can we place at the rate scheduled annotation without parameters or attributes? Okay, you try to place that one without parameters or attributes, guys. And it's meaningless, na? Some inputs are definitely required while working with at the rate schedule, guys. At the rate schedule. You try without any parameters, guys, you will get exception. Definitely you will get exception, boss. Tell me, guys, run as Spring Boot application. Yes, we are getting exception, guys. What is the exception? Bean creation exception, and we are getting the message encountered invalid at the rate scheduled method. Exactly one of the corner fixed delay or fixed rate attributes is required. Okay, same thing I have kept here or not? Last part, one of the corner fixed delay or what? Initial delay optional, guys, but remaining things are required. Yeah, listen. Fixed delay and fixed rate difference, guys. Everyone please focus. Fixed delay. Execute the task or job back to back having given time gap irrespective of whether task or job is completed fastly or slowly. Look at the case one. This is very important. Please focus. Fixed delay 3000. 3000 means 3 seconds. Task one or job one takes 15 seconds to complete it, guys. Task 1 or job 1 takes what? 15 seconds to complete. Then what happens, guys? Task 1 or job 1 execution for 15 seconds. Whatever the time, 3 seconds gap. Again 15 second, 3 seconds gap. Again 15 second, 3 seconds gap. Are you noticing it, guys? This is case 1. Whether it is done fastly, whether it is done slowly, that 3 seconds gap will be there between what? Two successive execution. Look at the case 2, my dear. Fixed delay 3 seconds. Task 1 or job 1 takes 1 second time to complete. Here more than 3 seconds time it is taking. It is taking what? Just 1 second time. Okay. Task 1, job 1 execution for 1 second. But 3 seconds gap. Again 1 second, 3 second gap. Again 1 second, 3 seconds gap. Are you noticing it, guys? Come on. Super, guys. Here is the code. So far we have done that, guys. We have done that. But let us feel that one practically. Yeah. Fixed delay is equal to 3000. But wantedly, try, guys. Thread dot sleep, guys. Okay. I will take 10 seconds time to complete the job. I'll take 10 seconds time to complete the job, guys. Catch exception E dot print stack trace. E dot print stack trace. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Spring Boot application. Yeah, listen, guys. Okay. Application started. It is taking how much time to complete the task 1? First 10 seconds sleep, then task 1 will happen. Task 1 will be completed by taking 10 seconds time. So look at the execution window, output window, console window. $53.21. Listen exactly, guys. 53.21, 3 seconds gap. See, guys, 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3, 10 seconds for execution, 3 seconds gap. Again 10 seconds for execution, 3 seconds gap. Are you noticing it, guys? So whether it is completed fastly or slowly, that 3 seconds gap is guaranteedly will come. Are you with me? Suppose a task is done in 1 second only. Task is completed in 1 second only. Then also that 1 second gap will be there. Check it out. Sorry, 3 seconds gap will be there. 1 plus 3, 4 seconds gap. 1 second to complete the task, 3 seconds gap. 1 seconds to complete the task, 3 seconds gap. So 4 seconds gap is coming or not? So that means task done fastly, task done slowly, but the fixed gap will be there. That's why it is called fixed delay. Delay is fixed, guys. Break is fixed. Are you listening my statement, guys? Break is fixed. Come on, guys. Are you understanding my statement? Okay. So why to print old dates, guys? We will take here 5000 as the gap. 5000 as the gap. Right click, run as Spring Boot application. Run as Spring Boot application. Right, guys. Yeah, 5 plus 3, 8 seconds gap will come na. 8 seconds gap will come na, boss. Fixed delay. Array, there is another terminology, fixed rate ra babu. To explain this, I am taking this much hangama. Okay. Copy, guys. Right. Yeah, like these things will happen. Right, boss. Okay, now listen, fixed rate. Yeah, everyone, first time you are listening, fixed rate, everyone please focus. Specify maximum time that the task or job should take to complete the execution. Whether completed or not, I am saying this much time I am giving. This much time I am giving. Suppose I said fixed rate is 10 seconds. Task is completed in 3 seconds. 7-second break will be there. It's like how we got the task in the company. TL says you should complete in 2 days. Ra. You complete in 1 day you enjoy. You have taken 3 days. You have taken 3 days. Okay, after you have taken 3 days, 1 day extra. Immediately next task should be started. No gap. At that time, no gap at all. You asked for 2 days, completed in 1 day you can enjoy. You asked for 2 days, you have taken 3 days, they will give 3 days. But next task should be started without break. Next task should be started without break. Come on. Convinced my statement, guys. Fixed rate. Listen. Case 1 fixed rate. 10 seconds is the fixed rate. Task 1 or job 1 is taken 5 seconds time to complete. How much time to complete, guys? 5 seconds time to complete. Yes. Concentrate, my dear. 5 seconds time to complete. Tell me. Task 1, job 1 execution for 5 seconds. Everyone. Yeah, 10 minus 5. How much gap is there? 5 seconds gap, guys. Break or gap. Next, again 5 seconds. 5 seconds gap. Again 5 seconds to complete the time. 5 seconds gap. I hope you understood. Earlier, though you completed task early, immediately gap will come. But this time, if you complete early, gap will be there. If you don't complete early, no, without gap, you have to begin the next task. Yeah, take the case 2, guys. Take the case 2, guys. Fixed rate, 10 seconds. Task or job 1 is taking 15 seconds to complete, guys. 15 seconds to complete. Tell me here. Okay. Task 1 or job 1 execution is for how many seconds? 15 seconds. What is the fixed rate, guys? 10 seconds. That means job has to supposed to complete in 10 seconds, but it is taking 15 seconds. No break. No break or gap are waiting. No break or gap are waiting. I think your bulb is glowing. What is the difference between fixed rate and fixed delay? No break. Again, 15 seconds it has taken. No break or gap are what? Waiting. Again, no break or gap are waiting. So it depends upon, guys. It depends upon the requirement, you can go for it. So, but TL always gives task having what, guys? Fixed rate. Okay, always gives the task in fixed rate manner, right? But we expect the task should come in fixed delay manner. We want fixed delay, but it is always given in fixed rate manner. Come on, guys. Because a small task, a big task, after completion of task, we want some gap. Right? That is our mindset. But TL says, I don't know how many days you take. For this task, I am giving this much time. You complete early, you are lucky, enjoy the break. You have not completed earlier, you are not lucky, start the remaining task. Next task immediately. Come on, guys. We want fixed delay, but they are giving task in the form of fixed rate. Shall we see this one practically, my dear? Yes, guys. Come on, come here. At the rate scheduled. Yeah, tomorrow holiday. Next class will be on Wednesday because of Ramjan festival, guys. Okay. At the rate scheduled, fixed rate is equal to fixed rate. You can give in a string value also. How much I am giving? 3 seconds only I am giving. Otherwise, can I give up to this, guys? First one, 10 seconds, it has to take 5 seconds time. 10,000. And it has to take 5 seconds time to complete. So definitely there will be gap of what, guys? So I will write this task 1 message over here only. No, completion of the task we write a, start of task we write a. Completion of the task only we will write. Super, guys. Tell me, guys. Right click, run as Spring Boot application. Spring Boot application. Yeah, listen, guys. What is the gap we are getting? 53.3. What is the gap you are getting, guys? 53.03. 10 seconds gap is coming. Oh, 10 seconds gap is coming. So how to feel that? Actually, 5 seconds wait period. 1 minute. I'll give that feeling, boss. Don't worry. It's all about presentation. Okay. It's all about presentation. Task 1 start. Task 1 end. Task 1 start, task 1 end. Now you observe, you can feel it. Spring Boot application. Task 1 start, task 1 end. It is taking how many seconds, guys? 5 seconds. But what is the gap between end and start? 5 seconds. What is the, it is taking 5 seconds. That means 5 seconds gap only will come now between end and start. End and start, what is the gap? 5 seconds. Are you able to feel it? End and start, what is the gap, guys? 5 seconds. Actually, given time is 10 seconds, but you have completed in 5 seconds. Come on. So remaining time will be coming as a gap. The remaining time will be coming as a gap. I hope you noticed this, my dear. Come on. Super, boss. Right. I think that is case 1 is clearly explaining, but since we have experimented, I'm placing, guys. Super, boss. Next, what is the second case? It is taking more than the time, more than given time. So when it is taking more than the given time, what is that? 15,000 seconds. Stop this. Do you think there will be gap, guys? Do you really think there will be gap, guys? Task 1, it is take 15 seconds. What is that? 44, 59, 15 seconds. And immediately again task 2 is started. Again, task 1 is restarted. See, no gap. Is there any gap between end and start, guys? Again, it is taking how much time, guys? The end is 59, 14, 15 seconds time, guys. Again, no gap. Again, no gap. Did you notice that? Again, no gap. Again, no gap, right? What is theory? What is my theory that is really matching or not, guys? Super, boss. Fine, guys. What is the difference between fixed delay and fixed rate? Very popular interview question. Very popular interview question. My favorite also. Fixed delay specify the gap or break time or wait time between two successive back-to-back, successive or back-to-back executions executions. So irrespective of whether task or job execution is completed fastly or slowly, the time gap between successive execution will be maintained. The time gap between two successive execution will be maintained. Are you listening my statement, guys? That's what we felt it, boss. That's what we felt it. Again, see it. Fixed rate specify the maximum time that is given to complete the task or job. If job or task execution is completed before the specified time, the remaining will be used as the break time or gap time. Otherwise, job or task executes back to back without any gap or break time. I think whatever I said that is reflecting in my wordings or not. Whatever I said that is reflecting in my wordings or not. Are you able to feel it, boss? Are you able to feel it, boss? Come on. Right, guys. Now listen. Diagrammatic representations of fixed delay. Fixed delay. Representation of fixed delay. Fixed delay based. What is that? Period of time scheduling. Is it period of time or point of time, guys? Loop means period of time, right? Not point of time. Period of time execution. Both are period of time only, was. Period of time scheduling, to be honest. Scheduling. Okay. Now listen, guys. Case 1. Case 1. Tell me. Fixed delay. Fixed delay is equal to 3 seconds. Fixed delay is equal to 3 seconds. 3000, guys. Next, initial delay. Initial delay is equal to 10,000. All these are in seconds, guys. Okay. Now tell me. Task 1 or job 1 is taking 5 seconds to complete the task. 5 seconds, nothing but 5000 milliseconds to complete the task. 5000 milliseconds to complete the task. Everyone understanding my statement, guys? Now tell me here, guys. Application started. This is app started. App started. Then what is the gap, guys? Initial delay of 10 seconds. This is what, my dear? Initial delay of 10 seconds. This is technically called what, guys? Initial delay. I'm trying to put in a diagrammatic representation, guys, nothing else. Initial delay. Next. Next what? Initial delay, yes, this one. Okay, then what is that, guys? Task is taking 5 seconds to execute. Task is taking what? 5 seconds to execute. Then what? Task 1 execution. Task 1. Okay, task 1 execution. Yeah. Task 1 execution takes place for how much time, guys? Task 1 execution takes place for how much time, guys? 5 seconds. This is 5 seconds. Task 1 execution takes place for 5 seconds. What will be the gap, guys? What will be the gap, guys? 3 seconds. The gap is 3 seconds. This is gap. This is gap. Now, this will be repeated again and again. Oh, I should write seems. Again 5 seconds. Again gap of 3 seconds. Gap of 3 seconds. Are the same thing, right? I'm trying to put in a diagrammatic. Again 5 seconds for execution. Again gap of 3 seconds. Again 5 seconds for execution. Again gap of 3 seconds. Seconds. Like this system will go on or not? Like this system will go on or not, guys? Tell me, guys. Yeah, task 1 execution. Task 1 execution. How much, guys? 5 seconds. What is the gap, guys? Gap of 3 seconds. How much, guys? 3 seconds. Yes. Next one. What is there, guys? Task 1. What is this, guys? 5 seconds. What is this, guys? Gap. 3 seconds. Yeah. Next one. Task 1. 5 seconds. What is this, guys? Gap of 3 seconds. Are you comfortable, guys? Come on. Right. This is case 1. I'm just trying to put in a diagrammatic representation. So shall we go for case 2? Case 2. For everything, 2 cases will be there, nothing else. Case 2. Fixed delay, how much, boss? Fixed delay, how much? 3,000 only I am taking. Initial delay, how much? Initial delay, 10,000 only I am taking. Okay. But job or task 1 or job 1 is taking how much time? Okay. 2 seconds time to complete. 2 second time to complete the task. 2 seconds time to complete the task. Yeah. Tell me, guys, what will be the story now? Okay, this time will be very fast. Right. Yeah. This is the line, guys. This is application started. Initial delay 10 seconds. Super. Now tell me, task 1 completion is what, guys? 2 seconds. Gap of 3 seconds. Next. Gap of 3 seconds. Next, task 1 completion, what, guys? 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Gap of 3 seconds. Next, task 1 completion is how much, guys? 2 seconds. Gap of 3 seconds. I think you understood, guys. Easy now, boss. Tell me here, app started. App started. Okay. Next, this is initial delay. Initial delay 10 seconds. Next, task 1. Task one. Tell me, guys. 2 seconds, huh? 2 seconds. Next, gap. 3 seconds. Next, task one. 2 seconds. I think things are in control, guys. Are you noticing? Next, gap. 3 seconds. Right. Again, task one. Here's the loop, guys. How much? 2 seconds. If you have any confusion, you can go for gap. How much? 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Everything is clear. Super. This is the story, guys. Right. This is story of fixed delay. Yeah. Diagrammatic representation of fixed rate. Diagrammatic representation of fixed rate. Fixed rate based period of time scheduling. Yeah. What is the case one, guys? Tell me, what is the case one, guys? Initial delay. Initial delay, I will keep 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 10,000 milliseconds. What is this? Fixed rate. What is the next one, guys? Fixed rate. 5 seconds. 5 second task has to be completed. Nothing but 5,000. Next, task one or job one is taking, what is this? 15 seconds. 15 seconds to complete the task. Complete the task. Tell me, what is the system, guys? The system is this. Yeah, here is application started. Here is my application started. Here is my initial delay. Initial delay 10 seconds. Super, guys. Then what? Task one and job one is taking how much time, guys? Okay, task one, 15 seconds. Come on, guys. Task one execution. Is there any gap, guys? Is there any gap? Fixed rate is not satisfied. Is there any gap? No, that's why task one, 15 seconds. Okay, again task one, 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Okay, guys. That means here what you have to notice, guys. Okay, what is the no time? Task one, job one, execution time is greater than fixed rate. That time, then no gap between. No gap or break time or wait time between back to back successive execution. Successive executions. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Super. This is my red color was. This is case one, guys. Tell me what is case two? What is case two, guys? initial delay. $10,000. Next, fixed rate 5,000. Sorry, fixed rate 5,000. Now tell me now. Okay, fixed rate I have taken 10,000. Fine, no problem. Okay, 5,000. Yeah. Now tell me here, task 1 or job 1 is taking 2 seconds time. How much time, guys? 2 seconds time to complete. 2 seconds time to complete. Tell me, guys. Yeah. Task or if task or job execution time, task or job execution time is less than fixed rate time, then then what is the time, what is the break time, guys? How much break time will be there? Fixed rate minus, okay, task or job execution time. Come on, execution time, job execution time, execution time. Gap will be there. Gap will be there between successive executions of the task. Successive executions of the task 1 or job 1. Execution of the task or job. I hope you got the clarity, guys. Come on. Time, fixed rate time. Right, boss. Tell me here, what is the, according to this, what is the story? Array, whatever you feel comfortable, you go it. I am just explaining in both ways, guys. Yeah, what is initial delay? 10 seconds as it is. What is the time given? 2 seconds. What is the gap that will come, guys? 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2, 3 seconds gap. Again, task completion 2 seconds. Gap 3 seconds. Again 2 seconds. Gap 3 seconds. I think like this it will continue now, boss. Like this it will definitely continue or not, boss. Super, boss. Application started. Yes, boss. What is there? Initial delay, which is more, I think you got clear-cut difference between what? Fixed delay and fixed rate. Yes, boss. Tell me, guys. Task 1 for how much? 2 seconds. Okay, 2 seconds. Gap for how much, guys? Gap for how much? 3 seconds. Next, task 1. Task 1. Tell me how much? 2 seconds. What is the gap, guys? 3 seconds. Again, task 1. 2 seconds. Gap is how much, guys? 3 seconds. Everyone understood my statements, guys? Super. Okay. Sir, what happens if we specify? I think all permutations and combinations are covered, right? Okay. What happens? What happens if we specify both fixed delay and fixed rate? Okay, at a time. I too never experimented, guys. Suddenly I got this thought. Suddenly I got this thought. Let me experiment that. Fine, boss. Now tell me. See, guys, if I forget, it will execute continuously. Super. While drawing those diagram, it came to, as for my knowledge, exception should come, but sometimes we expect something and something else will happen. You know that, right? Initial delay, but when something happened, we are ready to analyze why it happened. 5,000, guys. Comma, fixed delay. Fixed delay, 3,000. Okay. Fixed rate. Fixed rate, 4,000. Fixed rate, 4,000. Okay. Here I have given 30,000. Fine. I should not give 4,000. Let's see, guys, what actually happening. I'm also excited to see the output. Right click, run on Spring Boot application. Yeah, see, guys, encountered invalid. Exactly one of the cron fixed delay or fixed rate attribute is required. See, why three? No, listen, Rababu. Among these three things, only one should be specified, not two at a time. Not two, even not three at a time, not two at a time. Fixed delay, fixed rate, cron. You can use one of these three things. One of these three things. We already got error, but we didn't realize. Already we got this error. We didn't realize that much. Fine, guys. One of these three things. We thought one of these three things must. We didn't think that at a time two cannot be given, right? Right, boss. Tell me, guys. Rises the error. We can place only one of three. One of three. One of three. What, guys? Cron or tell me, fixed delay or content smaller. Actually, let me make it 100%. Happy now? Fixed delay or fixed rate attributes in at the rate scheduled annotation, guys. That means we cannot place all the three or any two at a time. All the three or any two at a time. We cannot place all the three or any two at a time. Are you listening my statement, guys? Super, boss. So it is going to be invalid. 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 Throws what exception, guys? एक मिनट मैं आ रहा हूं, प्लीज मैं आ रहा हूं. राइट बॉस, जरा वेट कीजिए. Yeah, illegal encountered at the rate scheduled do task. Exactly one of these three things we can place, guys. Fine. I know Hindi. I can speak Hindi. Who said I don't know? We don't know Hindi. Fine. Fine, boss. No, my workers are, my maintenance workers are Hindi people. That's why I used Hindi. Fine, boss. So shall I stop the session? I think workers are waiting outside. So I'll continue from. No, schedule is not over. Still, cron expressions are there. Very, very important. Still, cron expressions are there. Very, very important. Right? I'll upload the entire notes. Don't worry about it. Thank you. Have a nice time. We'll meet on Wednesday, guys. Tomorrow, no classes of mine are there. Tomorrow, holiday. Next class will be on Wednesday. 2 days notes I will upload. Don't worry. Thank you. Have a nice time.